Hey, what's up, everyone? Today is Monday, April 20th. This week and all the way till beginning of May is earnings seasons. So for those that follow my content, I trade options. And I'm just gonna show you guys how you can generate some quick income for this week. And I'd like to do weekly income. So with all that's going on, the war, and then earnings season, I think the safest play would be to trade gold and silver options. So I already did this trade last week, 2 weeks ago, and I'm gonna use it probably the same strike. So I'm gonna go with gold, and I'm gonna go with a 425 strike, so you guys can see on my screen. I'm going to do a vertical spread. So let's take a look at it. So here we are. 425 STO, which is sell to open. Strike is 425, and we're gonna add a leg because it's a vertical spread. Buy to open, same expiration, and we can go with a 418. So it's about $51 per contract. Okay, so it's very conservative, very modest because of all the earnings happening and the war overseas and the Strait of Hormuz being shut down. I want to play it more cautiously. You're not going to complain. $51 per contract, that's pretty good income. So let's just do 4, right? Because we're just playing conservative, and that's about $204. Not much, right? But hey, $204 in a few minutes, that's fantastic. And let's just process this one. So you can see here, estimated total amount is 198.68. I'm using Charles Schwab. I'm gonna place this order, and let's check the status. And it's been filled. There you go. So that's about $200 right over there. And let's look at silver. And let's do silver SLV. And we're gonna use, I made a trade on silver 2 weeks ago, the same day I did on gold. I don't want to trade any specific stock this week because of what's going on in the market and the re-escalation of the war. So I want to play more conservative. Let's look for a April 24th expiration. So same expiration as the gold. And I'm going to go with a 85 strike because I used the 85 last time, which did well for me. So I'm going to keep that same strike. And there it is, 85. Sorry, actually it was 65. Let's go back here, 65, there it is. So it's not much premium, right? It's very bullish. The market's already pricing in that the delta is only 6. So let's go a little bit more aggressive. Let's look at a 20 delta. So there you go, 69. Actually, I like 69 because I have seen some good support level here in the past. So let's just go with that. And then there we go, sell to open, 69 strike. And let's add the second leg, buy to open, 424, we're looking at 62. I like a 7-point spread, okay? So if you guys don't know what spreads are, it's just a better way to sell options and be able to control how much collateral you're using. Because if I didn't add this other leg, then my collateral will be a lot more. So I'm not going to go in depth into that, but for now I'm just going to show you guys how you can generate some income. And I'm going to do, I'll do 5 contracts here. Okay, that's another 255. You guys can see here, 255. Let's process that and see if we get filled. Okay, great, 255. So this trade was about 200 bucks, 200, 255. So $455 in less than 5 minutes. All right, if you guys found this content helpful, like and subscribe. If you want to learn what I'm doing, you want to be able to do what I'm doing and learn how to do this for yourself. I know a lot of you are working a lot of hours and just to make a couple $100 or make a couple dollars when you can learn how to do this and be able to generate income. All right, either way, I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good day.